The Sailboat Retrospective is a very cool activity that helps teams look back on their work, figure out how to improve, and move forward together. In this video, I will explain you how you can implement these fun and creative ways for team to reflect with the online whiteboard Collaboard. So picture your project as a sailboat. The goal is to reach the island, which is your project success, and along the way there are things that help you move forward and things that slow you down. I already added the Sailboat Retrospective template from Collaboard to the whiteboard, and now I will explain you how you can start this activity. So we find here on the left side, we find the wind, so this is what is pushing us forward. We see the anchors, this is what is holding us back. We see the rocks, these are the obstacles we are going to face. And then the island, as said before, that's the goal we want to reach. Now, we will find here pre-prepared sticky notes, and people can just drag the sticky notes into the wind area, for example, and then start writing down what is pushing us forward, for example, a great team spirit. Yeah, and that's already how you can do that. So you find for every 4 aspects of this retrospective the predefined sticky notes. People can easily start with that, and you're ready to go with the Sailboat Retrospective template from Collaboard. Now the question is, why should you do that? What's the benefit of using the Sailboat Retrospective? The benefits of the Sailboat Retrospective are that it's very engaging. So the sailboat idea makes the meeting more interesting for everyone. It's just a cool story to follow. It makes things also clear, so it helps your team to see what's working and also, more important, what's not working. And it helps to lead to action. So your team can make plans to fix problems and keep doing the things that work well. And it also brings the team together, because it helps everyone agree on the goals and how to reach them.